Hello, future developers. Welcome to another tutorial at ABCD. Anybody can develop. Okay, so we're doing CSS. That's a style tag within our index.html file. Okay, so let's try that. So let me clear all of this. Okay, so I'm going to clear all of these, and then I'm going to have to type in title. Okay, so learning CSS style tag. Learning CSS style. So I think there's something missing. Okay, so I need to put in the head. Okay, so I need to close the head. Okay, so head. Need to bring the closing tag for the head property. Okay, so I think I unfortunately deleted it. Okay, so that's it. And then inside the head, inside the head is where we are going to use our style tag. Okay, so our style tag, CSS style tag, is used inside the head of our HTML file for styling the document. So let me input something in the body. So I created an h1 tag, CSS for all. Then I'll create a paragraph. I'm going to type lorem. Okay, so lorem gives us some text. Okay, we don't need to type them. So lorem, when you type lorem, it gives you some text that you can use. I'm going to break this text so that they appear on a new line. We'll break this one too, so it appears on a new line. Then I kept placed on auto save so that I don't have to hit Ctrl S always to save. So auto save, it does is saving whenever I do any changes to my document. Then let me refresh it. You can see, okay, so it's done that. Then let me add another tag. So that's an H2 tag, or I'm doing an H2 tag or H1 tag, and I'm going to give it a title. So I name it another CSS. It's an H1 tag, then I'll give it a lorem. So I'll give it a lorem, and I'm going to break it. So lorem, you will need to install the lorem extension. You need to update something. Okay. So you can copy and paste any text in that side. So let me refresh it. You can see we have this. So our lorem epson. Okay, so in the style tag, I'm going to style these HTML attributes or elements. Okay, so I type style, then I close the style. Okay, so I close the style, and then I can start doing some changes or styling my document. So let me start with the body. So inside the style, okay, so the opening and closing tag for the style. So in between them, okay, I'm going to style my body. So body, and then I'll type the body and then curly braces. And then inside the curly braces, I'm going to type color, colon, and I'll choose any of the colors. Okay, so Windows gives me, VS Code gives me some hints on colors to use. Okay, then I'm going to terminate it with a semicolon. I'm going to refresh it, and then I'll see the effects here. Okay, so you can see our style tag is working. Okay, so you can do that for any of the elements, HTML elements. So let's add another styling property, that's the font. Okay, so the color property affects the font color. Then the font size, I'm supposed to do font size, not font. So it didn't change. I need to do it font size, not font. Okay, so I'm going to change depth. Okay, so I have to change it to font size. I mistakenly did it to the font. I need to change to font size. Okay, so this was pre-recorded. I'm doing a voiceover, so I think I didn't take note of that. So let me do that for another HTML attribute. So that's the h1 tag. So I'm going to style the h1 tag or h1 element. Okay, so color colon, then the name of the color or the attribute. Okay, so font. So it should have been font size. Okay, so yes, so I'm correct. Okay, so font hyphen size. Okay, so let's use font family. Okay, so let's give our HTML h1 tag a font family. Okay, so going to refresh it. You can see just increase the size, giving us a font family, and then the color. Okay, so let's try refreshing it again. Okay, so I'll close this document and you can see the changes that we've made. Let's try adding another. Let's try background color. So we have background color, background image. The background image will be held as a different topic on its own. Okay, so background color. So we're going to change the background color of our document. Okay, so I'm choosing beige or beige. Now refresh so you can see our background color is being changed. Okay, so that's some of that's using the style tag for styling CSS. Okay, so thank you.